Why do most houses in the United States look like they're made of wood, while houses in the UK look like they're built to last forever? Let's dive into this.
Welcome to Unlogic.
It's not about poor quality. The real reason is history, cost, and geography. When the US was expanding, it had endless forests and huge land space. Wood was cheap, everywhere, and fast to build with. Settlers needed homes quickly, not buildings meant to last for centuries. The UK, on the other hand, had limited forests, but plenty of clay and stone. Brick became the natural choice. It's strong, durable, and long-lasting. The US experiences earthquakes, hurricanes, and floods. Wooden houses are flexible. They can bend and absorb shock instead of cracking suddenly. Brick houses are very strong, but during earthquakes they can fail fast and collapse. In the UK, extreme natural disasters are rare, so strength mattered more than flexibility. Wooden doesn't mean unsafe. Modern US homes use engineered wood, fire-resistant materials, and strict building codes. So it's not that one country builds better homes than the other. They simply build for different environments, risks, and priorities. And once you know this, you'll never look at houses the same way again.